So close to the pillow or the bolster, crossing the legs. Yeah. Crossing if it's possible. If not, lengthening the legs or bending the legs. Yeah. So taking your time. Once you lean, so try to go again, expanding your spine here. So don't go straight open. Try to go with your lower back and then leaning slowly down. Yeah. So expand. Check. If you are comfortable, maybe you need a support for your hips. Yeah. Maybe you need a support for your legs. Yeah. So you can always put extra pillows or blankets beneath your thighs. Yeah. Nice and comfy so you can relax. Yeah. So again, once we are there, we do the same. We push a little bit the hips against the floor and try to spread more your spine, the back of the neck, and expand your arms on the side. Yeah. So or in cross or not too close to your body. Open those arms so you really feel a nice opening on the chest. Yeah. And soften. Cool. So in this position, we will start to visualize a beautiful pink light. Yeah, the energy of love, the energy of unlimited love, unconditional and unlimited source of love that is passing through from the very core of the planet, passing through our body, going deeply into your heart, and imagine that is filling your heart deeply, and then it's overflowing as always with that pink light, and we fill our cocoon with the pink light, yeah, with that loving energy. And then you can imagine that the love energy is so much, yeah, that you can fill your room and your house. Yeah. So imagine that every breath in, you are lifting that beautiful, loving, caring energy that is passing through, cleansing yourself. And imagine that all those maybe emotions or tension or stress that we let go on the other pose. Imagine that with this pink light, we are nurturing and we are tender for those spaces that we let escape the tension. Yeah. So imagine that this light is like a minding those wounds. Yeah. And healing all that. Yeah. Like a closing with a beautiful bath of love, support. And then it's feeling again your heart, your cocoon, and your room, your home. And just enjoy there the receiving of that healing, loving, protective, caring, beautiful, unlimited, and unconditional loving energy. And just open there to receive. And then slowly, really slowly, you can start to close your legs if you have the legs open, yeah? Or if you have the legs bending, and stretch your legs. And we soften and stretch your legs, and then really softly expand your arms back. And then release, yeah? We bend the legs, we roll the legs to one side, we fall, we stay a little bit on the side, soften your back there. And we go slowly to a sitting position. Very nice, well done.